In this video, we will know that how to fix there was a problem resetting your PC, no change were made in Windows 10 and Windows 11. How to fix it this error we know that step by step in this video. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7. So let's start the video. The first method is click here search option and type here command, okay, like that. And after that guys, click here run as administrator option, click here yes. After that guys, type here a command REAGENC space disable. Press enter from keyboard. After type this command, press enter. So guys, you can see here the operation successfully completed. And after that guys, type here next command, enable this. Press enter from the keyboard. After typing this command, so guys, you can see here the command get successfully here completed. And type here exit and exit from the command. After that guys, we are going for next method. Click here start button and after that click here settings. After that guys, click here Windows update option. So guys, your Windows should be update up to date here. Install all updates on your Windows and your Windows should be up to date here. After that guys, click here system. And after that guys, find here recovery option. Click here this recovery option. After that guys, click here restart now option. After that guys, click here troubleshoot option on this window. Click here reset this PC and select any option as you want. Keep my files and select local reinstall cloud install as you wish, okay. So guys, you can see here after clicking on this reset the PC, no error message is displayed and your Windows get resetting. So guys, if your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.